Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a lamp holder safely and effectively. Before touching any wires, it is absolutely crucial to turn off the power at your main circuit breaker. Double-check with a voltage tester to confirm the power is off. This simple step prevents electrical shocks and ensures your safety throughout the process. Gather your tools, including wire strippers and screwdrivers, and let's get started. Now that safety is covered, let's prepare your wires. Using wire strippers, carefully remove about 1/2 inch of insulation from the end of each wire. Be gentle to avoid nicking the copper strands underneath. Once stripped, twist the exposed copper strands tightly together. This makes them easier to insert into the terminals and ensures a secure connection, preventing loose strands that could cause issues later on. With your wires prepared, it's time for the actual connection. The live wire, usually black or brown, goes to the brass or colored terminal screw. The neutral wire, typically white or blue, connects to the silver terminal. If your lamp holder has a ground terminal, usually green or bare metal, connect the green or bare copper wire there. Tighten all screws firmly to ensure excellent electrical contact and prevent any loose connections. You're almost done. Carefully tuck all the connected wires into the lamp holder base, making sure no bare copper is exposed or pinched. Reassemble the lamp holder, ensuring all parts fit snugly and are securely fastened. Once everything is back together, return to your circuit breaker and restore power. Finally, insert a light bulb and test your newly wired lamp holder. Congratulations, you've successfully connected it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.